Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on profit and loss using the proportion method. Let's solve the first one. An article was sold for rupees 210 with a profit of 5%. What was its cost price? So the givens are SP is rupees 210, percentage profit is 5%. Now we don't have CP here, we have SP and percentage profit. So we cannot use the known formulas. So we will follow the proportion method. Now here, let's assume if CP was 100, then SP would have been, profit is 5%. So 100 plus 5. 5%, 5 of 5 per 100. So if CP was 100, then profit would have been 5 rupees. So SP would have been 105 rupees. So now let's write the proportion method format. So if CP was 100, SP would have been 105. We don't know CP, but SP is 210. So what would be CP if SP is 210? Now in this case, CP is equal to multiplication of these two diagonally opposite terms. And divided by the term which is diagonally opposite to the question mark. You can see 101, 2s are 210. So 2 into 200 is 200. And therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 210. Let's do next one. An item was sold for rupees 540 at a loss of 10%. What was its cost price? Givens are sold for, so SP. Now, we will have to follow the proportion method, and there what we do is we assume the CP as 100. Always assume CP equal to 100. So if CP was rupees 100 and there is a loss, then SP would be 100 minus 10. Loss, hence minus. Why 10%? So rupees 10 loss per 100. CP is 100. Then SP would be 100 minus 10, which is 90. Let's now put it in the format CP SP. If CP was 100, SP would be 90. What would be CP if SP is 540? How do we do it? This CP is equal to multiplication of these two diagonal terms divided by the term which is diagonal to the question mark. Now here we know 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. 6 into 100 is 600. And therefore cost price is rupees 600. Let's do the next one. Zuhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So she sells, which means SP is equal to rupees 13,500. And loss percentage is equal to 20%. These are the givens. Now, as we do, we assume CP to be 100. Remember, it is CP which has to be assumed, and it has to be assumed rupees 100 only. If CP was rupees 100, what would be SP? SP would be 100, which is CP, minus, because there is a loss. Loss means minus. Minus 20. 20 per cent per 100. For this 100, there is a 20 rupees loss. So rupees 80 would be SP. Now let's put it in the proportion format. So if CP and SP, if CP was 100, SP would be 80. Now we know SP is 13,500. Then what would be CP? So how do we get CP? CP is equal to, multiplication of the terms which are diagonally opposite to each other, divided by the term which is diagonally opposite to the question mark. Now if I see here, I'll remove this 0 and this 0. That gives me 135 into 1000. Why 1000? These two zeros and this 1 0, they make 1000. So 135 I've separated 1000 upon 8. Why I separated 1000? Because I know that 1000 is divisible by 8. That gives me 135 multiplied by 8 ones are 1, 8 125s are 1000. So 125. And therefore, let's do another one. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So buys means it is cost price. So givens are percentage loss is 15% and CP is rupees 275. Again, we'll start with assuming CP as 100. SP would be CP. It is loss, so minus 15. So if CP was 100, SP would be rupees 85. I will put it in the format of proportion method. So if CP was 100, SP was 85. Now we know that CP is 275. Then what would be SP? Therefore SP would be multiplication of these two diagonal terms divided by the term which is diagonal to this question mark. So let's divide. 5 20s are and 5 17s are. Now here again 5 4s are and 5 5s are 25. 2 remains, 5 5s are. So that gives us 17 multiplied by 55 upon 4, which is equal to 17 5s are 85, carry forward 8, 17 5s are 85 and 8, 93. 935 upon 4. So that gives us 4 2s are 8, 2, 1 and 3, 13, 4 3s are 12, 1 and 5, 15, 4 3s are 12, 3 upon 4, which is 0.75. And therefore, she sold the book for rupees 233.75.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.